What if your next viral video was made by an algorithm in seconds? Welcome to the explosion of AI video generators, the tools that are rewriting creator rules in 2025. Today, we're diving into how this revolution started, who's winning, and why creators are both excited and terrified. Get ready, because you won't believe what's coming.
The AI video generator market exploded in 2025, with some reports projecting billions in value. Tools like Runway's Gen4 and Synthesia are offering text-to-video features that once seemed like sci-fi. What once took a production team, cameras, and days of editing now can be done in minutes by almost anyone with a prompt.
Creators are jumping on the trend. Short-form videos, dynamic intros, entire campaigns made with AI tools in hours instead of days. One blog shows 9 best AI video generators in 2025 and footage of their results. The barrier to entry has dropped. Newcomers can produce high-quality content quicker, cheaper, and faster than ever before.
If the door is open for everyone, it's also open for everyone's copy. Traditional creators face new competition from AI-made content. The opportunity: scale, speed, lower cost. The threat: loss of authenticity, copyright issues, and deepfake chaos. Industry analysts are warning that while AI video tools are powerful, they're also disruptive. We're only at the beginning. The next wave of AI video generation includes vertical formats, faster processing, and deeper personalization. Google's VO3 now supports vertical video 1080p for social apps. The real question: will human creators adapt or be replaced? One thing is certain: video creation will never look the same. The tools are in your hands. Will you use AI to rise, or watch the wave pass you by? Comment below with your thoughts, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stories that change the way we think about technology and creation. This is The Curious Curious, exploring the truth behind what's next.